Here's a short video of the startup process for this switchwire Ender 3 conversion. Homing. Touches the nozzle and then does a nozzle scrub. And then touches it again to be sure. It goes to the bed center heating. The stealth burner LEDs are set up for temperature monitoring while it's doing any kind of heating process. Might be a little bit difficult to tell the colors on the video. The Boron logo is for the hot end, and the bed is the color of the nozzle lights. So right now it's heating to 150 on the hot end, just for probing purposes, with a 60 degrees on the bed. The nozzle brush is silicone. It's attached to the Z end stop and its breakaway in case something bad happens. This is a Euclid probe with a special adapter. The adapters are custom made to attach to the Y plate, solid bed standoffs. So you should start to see the color of the lights shining on the bed turning to red as it approaches 60 degrees. You can start to see it going to red as we're getting up to 60. It's 57 right now. There, now it's going nice bright red as it's almost to the temperature. Goes over, picks up the Euclid, starts to probe the bed. It's probing fairly quickly, and I'm allowing it to, if it exceeds the sample tolerances, it probes again. This actually seems to work better than probing slowly. I don't know why. Five by 5 grid. I'm using the stealth burner LED macros as published on the GitHub for colors. So as it goes through the various states, the colors change. Okay, so now it's done bed probing, going back, docking the Euclid. Now it's going to heat up the hot end, which this is a Revo Voron, so it's fairly quick heat up. You'll see that color change on that logo LED to a nice red color as it gets to its temperature. Which in this case is 210. temperature. So now it's going to go over. It's going to do a real quick purge. There's no filament in the printer right now, so it would have purged there. Wipe the nozzle. Make sure it's nice and clean. And then it does it again just to be sure, because it's probing that nozzle tip on the Z stop for its Z auto calibration. The clicking you hear is actually the magnets picking up the sex bolt. It doesn't touch it, it just picks it up. And then picks up the probe, goes over. Now it's doing Z auto calibration. So it's probing the probe body. Then it's going to go and compare that to what it finds on the probe bed. Put the clicky or the Euclid back away. And then come over. Do one more nozzle clean with a purge. Just to make sure that nozzle is nice and clean before we start printing. And then it'll start printing.